Maybe you have never considered visiting Oman before, or perhaps you think traveling to the Middle East costs a lot of money? Now, think again. Muscat. Oman is famous for its mountain backdrops, pristine beaches, forts, and rich ancient history, and has everything that a traveler wants to see in Oman. But what's the best part? If you're limited on time or budget, you can still experience the best of this city, absolutely free of cost. In the video, I am taking you around 10 such incredible tourist spots in Muscat that are completely free to visit, plus their locations and the best ways to explore them. Number 1. Bayt al-Makam Castle. This is a small historical 12th century fort located at the foothills of the Hajar Mountains in Bawshar, just outside Muscat. It is hidden among plantations near the city's last remaining sand dunes. Nestled on the edge of modern development, this place offers a glimpse into Oman's past. Its terrace offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains, palm trees, and sand dunes. It is open Sunday through Thursday. Number 2. Bawshar Sand Dunes. Unlike Oman's vast deserts, such as the Wahiba Sands, the Bawshar Sand Dunes, located on the outskirts of Muscat city, offer golden desert dunes. Just minutes from Muscat's surrounding areas, it has long been a favorite destination for locals and tourists for dune bashing, quad biking, picnics, and sunset views. A half-hour quad biking ride costs around 30 to 50 Omani riyals. Number 3. Wadi al-Amerat. It is a beautiful natural valley located on the outskirts of Muscat. It is often called a hidden gem because it blends rugged desert landscapes with lush greenery and seasonal streams. Wadi Amerat is becoming increasingly popular among adventure seekers, yet it is less crowded than more famous valleys like Wadi Shab or Wadi Bani Khalid. Number 4. Al-Alam Palace, Al-Mirani Fort, and Al-Jalali Fort. Al-Alam Palace, located in Old Muscat, is another architectural marvel. It is the official residence of the Sultan of Oman. The palace's interior is reserved for state ceremonies, while the beautiful gardens and courtyards outside are open to the public daily, free of charge. Famous for its striking blue and gold facade, the palace is one of Muscat's most iconic photo spots. The palace is flanked on one side by the Al-Mirani Fort and on the other by the Al-Jalali Fort. Both forts were built by the Portuguese on rocky hills. They are among Muscat's most photographed landmarks. Access to the Al-Mirani Fort is restricted to the public, but its exterior is impressive and a great photo spot. Number 5. Al-Ghubra Beach. Ghubra Beach is one of Muscat's most accessible, popular, and urban coastal destinations, located north of Al-Ghubra. It features a long sandy shoreline, Ghubra Lake Park, and beachfront volleyball court. The beach is clean, well-maintained, and safe. It offers a more relaxed atmosphere than exciting water sports, making it a favorite destination for families and the community. Number 6. Azaiba Beach. It is one of Muscat's quiet and relaxing coastal spots, located in the Azaiba suburb. It's less crowded than Qurum or Al-Ghubra beaches. Its long sandy shore is ideal for strolling, jogging, a leisurely swim, or simply enjoying the sea breeze, making it a popular destination for those seeking a more natural and peaceful beach experience. Locals often come here for family outings, picnics, or simply relaxing by the sea. Number 7. Qurum Beach. Qurum Beach is Muscat's most vibrant and safe urban beach. Located on the Gulf of Oman, this vibrant and family-friendly beach offers a wonderful blend of natural beauty and urban amenities. The beach is clean and ideal for walking, jogging, swimming, watching the sunset, playing beach volleyball, or simply relaxing. The nearby parks and urban amenities make it a popular picnic spot for both locals and tourists. Number 8. Al Bustan Village. Al Bustan Village is a unique area in Muscat that combines modern lifestyle with deep historical roots, reflecting the heritage of the fishing communities that once lived along the coast. It is a historic site of archaeological significance, connecting Oman's present with its ancient past. A distinctive feature of the village is its all-white houses, which symbolize Omani culture and coastal life. Al Bustan Beach is a beautiful white sand beach that offers swimming, relaxing, as well as an ideal sightseeing and photography spot. Number 9. Bandar Al Khairan. Located approximately 25 kilometers from Al Bustan village, Bandar Al Khairan is a natural harbor surrounded by rugged mountains and offers hidden beaches, stunning cliffs, caves, mangrove creeks, reefs, and secluded islands. An ideal spot for dolphin watching, snorkeling, scuba diving, kayaking, and boating, as well as a quiet and serene place for camping under the stars. Number 10. Malls in Muscat. Muscat's most popular and premier shopping mall is Avenue's Mall located in Ghubra, which houses over 200 shops, a Lulu hypermarket, and IKEA. It offers modern shopping, box cinemas, kids zone, and dining options, making it convenient for both locals and tourists. There are some other malls too in Muscat. Muscat Grand Mall offers a mix of modern and traditional Arabic-style souks. Mall of Oman is the largest shopping mall with an indoor snow park, an excellent family leisure hub. Panorama Mall, a mid-sized family-friendly mall for casual shopping trip and dining. The Ship Mall. This is a ship-shaped mall located in North Ghubra. It is very small and has limited options. Nujum Al Amerat Mall, a community-focused shopping mall for everyday shopping and dining. You can also visit some popular tourist places for free: the Sultan Qaboos Mosque, Mutra Souk, Mutra Corniche, Riyam Park, and more. This video highlights some hidden or less visited places that don't require any entry fee or ticket. If you'd like to know when is the best time to visit Oman, the best places to visit in Oman by car, how to get around by bus, taxi, or car, and how much the fare is, you may either watch my detailed video on the reality of Oman's transportation system, or feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video and subscribing to the channel.